Now, do you use just a cucumber for sexual pleasure? Actually, it's not really advisable for use a cucumber for sexual pleasure. You know, this is a vegetable, and actually one should eat it raw, or actually you should just mix with other food so that you can eat. There are benefits of the cucumber, but they are not cool. It's not actually any benefits for any lady who is using the cucumber for sexual pleasure. And this is why. More likely that you are just causing infection to your body. You know, you are causing infection. There's risk of infection. If you are using this cucumber, you are causing a lot of infection. You know, the cucumber carries bacteria, some fungus, you know, pesticides, you know, and this can enter to the vagina, you know, and cause infections. So you are at risk of getting a lot of infection, and you'll be keeping on moving from one hospital to another in the treatment of what you caused by yourself. The other thing, there are risk of injury. You know, the cucumber is actually not like a penis. You know, it might be so stiff, you know. I know most of us know the cucumber. It might be so stiff, and it's not, you know, it can't bend anymore. And again, you are more likely to cause injuries to the walls of the vagina. Once you are using a cucumber, you know, this more likely cause a lot of injuries around the walls of the vagina. So the risk of injuries to your genitals, mostly the vagina, they are a lot if you are gonna use this cucumber. Remember, it can actually break inside there, and then you just get yourself to the hospital. It can actually even stuck to your vagina. Now, the other thing, you are disturbing your bacteria, your pH, your vaginal pH. You are causing disturbance. There are good bacteria in your vagina. They should be there. They are actually protective. But again, when you use a cucumber, it has some bacteria, colonization of these kind of bacteria from the cucumber and your bacteria. More likely that you're gonna disturb the vaginal pH, leading to discharge, yeast infections, landing in the hospital for things that you caused by yourself. The allergic reactions also is another risk if you use the cucumber. You know, most of the people, they don't know if they are allergic to something, because this cucumber is made of it has been growing in soil. It contains some pesticides and all other chemicals. This more likely can cause allergy to your body, which actually need to be treated in an hospital. So if you are using a cucumber, these are the risks that you are attracting. These are the risks that you want your body to have if you are using a cucumber. Just get a man, you know, for sexual pleasure. Use some health sex toys. They can help you, rather than using this cucumber for sexual pleasure. The vagina is actually very delicate and is self-protecting, and anything inserted should be medically, you know, safe and hygiene. But again, if you are going to use something that is not medically to your body, causing this risk is more likely to happen. Stop using the cucumber. It's causing a lot of harm to your body. You know, just let me know in the comment section if you have been using a cucumber. What infection have you been treating each and every time you have been going to the hospital for something that you caused by yourself? The cucumber is not good for yourself. Just get a man, get medically sex toys that are just approved you can use for sexual pleasure.